like the way Ruth usually carries this whole issue about when you're fresh, always in her matter, or probably, in her head, just like Sooj said, every man wanted her. Like, I don't know, there are people like that too. They actually, their head felt like probably you're laughing with them. They already take it to another level, as per say. So, she has always been calling Nelly, 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 Nelly. She has complained this Nelly to Chinwe. And it's looking more as if Nelly is holding something that you really wanted so bad. That's why Nelly was telling Suj this thing she was saying now. And Suj was like, you don't even care about the girl because she's always in her own head. Yeah. And I hope you understand what that means. Do you understand? That doesn't necessarily mean that Nelly is not this touchy type of person. She has always been making some moves around the guys, in a playful way. I don't know if she's trying to use it as a strategy, but I'm seeing it in a playful way. But they're taking it personal, just like Wanni has been taking it personal since she was playing with Sean. Do you understand me? Speaking about Wanni, she later had a reconciled conversation with Michy. Michy actually went to Wanni and apologized. I love that for him. He went and apologized for the misunderstanding they had the last time. If you guys are following up the show, so it went well, and I like the way the two of them picked out their offenses and then sorted it out and waved away all the whole issue. Do you understand? Now, let's talk about Michy and Chinwe's conversation. Chinwe was actually opting out. I don't know how far it has gone. I don't know whether it's because the guy threatened that if she doesn't apologize to checkers, they will end the relationship. That's why she's all out and mad. And they were telling her to calm down. To the point that DJ Florence even had to talk to TJ that these people need this Chinwe in particular. She needs a psychologist. She needs somebody that will counsel her because she's already giving up on the show. Barely how many days or so. In just and we're not even up to 2 weeks yet. So, but she's already giving up. Do you understand? And I knew it's this relationship thing that people carry and enter house. To be honest, these double K guys, they are very strong. Oh. They are even married and I don't know how they are pulling out. They are very smart and strong. So they need to work on themselves. I think Chinwe is already saying a lot, and this is what I keep saying. Anger will make you make the best speech that you finally regret. This is a national TV, and you've already said a lot about this guy. So I think they should sort it out. What you guys think? Well, if you watch this point, thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video because I'm definitely going to be back. Bye.